Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SpeakEasy FM.
Hi, we're so happy you're here with us.
I'm Stacy.
And I'm Ian. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English.
If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out.
Thank you so much. Today's topic is a really fun one. We're going to talk about dreams.
Not the dreams you have when you're sleeping, but your hopes, your wishes, your plans for the future.
Let's get into it. Stacy, how are you today?
I'm doing really well, thank you. And you?
I'm great too. I had a really relaxing weekend.
Oh, what did you do?
On Saturday, I just stayed home and read most of the day. On Sunday, I met up with some friends for brunch.
That sounds perfect. I went hiking on Saturday with my sister. The weather was amazing.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
Just a trail near the edge of the city. Nothing too difficult, but the views were beautiful.
That sounds so peaceful. Okay, let's get into today's topic. Let's talk about our dreams.
Yes! What is a dream exactly?
A dream is something you want very much for the future. It's bigger than a simple wish. It's something you really hope happens.
Right. It can be a dream job, a dream trip, a dream skill, even a dream life.
So many types. Let's start small. Stacy, what's a simple dream of yours?
A simple dream of mine is to learn how to bake the perfect loaf of bread. From scratch. No shortcuts.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Why bread?
I love the smell of fresh bread. And there's something so satisfying about making it with your own hands. Right now, mine always comes out a little flat.
Well, practice makes perfect. So you could say, my dream is to learn how to bake the perfect bread.
Exactly. Or, I dream of baking amazing bread. What's a simple dream for you?
Mine is to have a little herb garden. Just basil, mint, maybe some rosemary.
On your balcony?
Yes, exactly. I think it would be so nice to just walk outside and pick fresh herbs for cooking.
That's such a calming dream. And practical, too.
Exactly. Small dreams like this make everyday life a little better.
Let's go bigger now. What was your dream job when you were a kid?
Oh, easy. I wanted to be a marine biologist.
Wow, why marine biology?
I loved the ocean. I watched so many documentaries about whales and sharks. I wanted to swim with dolphins and study coral reefs.
That's such a cool dream. Did it come true?
No, it didn't. I'm actually scared of deep water now. The dream changed completely.
That happens. Dreams can really change as we grow up.
Exactly, and that's totally okay. What was your dream job as a kid?
Mine was to be a journalist. I wanted to travel and write stories about people around the world.
Interesting. And now you teach English on this channel.
True, but I still write a lot in my free time. So maybe part of that dream is still alive.
That's a beautiful way to look at it. So your dream sort of evolved, but it didn't disappear completely.
Exactly. Dreams can grow with us instead of disappearing.
What is your dream job now as an adult?
Now, I would love to open a small bookstore with a little reading corner and maybe a cat that lives there.
A bookstore with a cat. That sounds perfect. I would visit every week.
You're always welcome. But you have to actually buy books, not just read them there for free.
Deal. What about me? My dream job now is to be a documentary filmmaker.
Oh, that's such a creative dream. What kind of documentaries?
Maybe about small towns, interesting people, hidden stories that not many people know about.
I think you'd be amazing at that. You're so curious about everything.
Thank you, Stacy. That really means a lot.
Let's talk travel dreams. What's your dream vacation?
Mine is New Zealand.
Oh, why New Zealand?
The mountains, the green hills, all those incredible landscapes from the movies. I want to hike through it all and just breathe fresh air for 2 weeks.
That sounds amazing. Mine is Morocco.
Morocco? Why Morocco?
The colors, the markets, the food. I want to walk through the old streets and try real Moroccan tagine.
That sounds incredible. So you can say, I dream of visiting Morocco.
Exactly. Or I would love to go to Morocco one day. Do you have any other travel dreams?
So many. I also dream of visiting Norway to see the Northern Lights.
Oh, that's beautiful. The lights dancing in the sky.
Exactly. It looks magical in photos. I can only imagine seeing it in real life.
So, your dreams include cold places and warm places.
Yes, I love all kinds of adventures.
Sometimes dreams aren't about jobs or travel. Sometimes they're about skills you want to learn.
That's true. One of my skill dreams is to learn how to play the guitar.
Why guitar?
I love music, and I think it would be amazing to write my own songs one day. Right now, I can't play a single note.
Well, every musician starts somewhere. How will you begin?
I think I'll start with online lessons, or maybe find a friend who can teach me the basics.
That sounds like a great first step. My skill dream is to learn pottery.
Pottery, making bowls and cups?
Exactly. I think it would be so relaxing to shape clay with my hands.
That does sound calming. Have you ever tried it?
Once, at a friend's birthday party. It was so much harder than it looks, but I loved every minute.
That's the spirit. Another skill dream of mine is to become fluent in Spanish.
Fluent. That means speaking easily, without struggling for words, right?
Exactly. I want to be able to have a real conversation without stopping to think about every word.
That's a wonderful goal. I'm sure you'll get there.
Let's talk about personal dreams now. Do you dream of having a big family?
That's a personal question.
Sorry, you don't have to answer if...
No, it's okay. We're friends here. Yes, actually. I would love to have 2 kids someday, and a house with a big backyard for them to run around in.
That's beautiful. A backyard is perfect for kids.
And for a dog, too.
Oh, you want a dog?
Definitely. Probably a Labrador. They're so gentle and playful.
That's such a sweet dream. Simple but meaningful.
Exactly. Sometimes the simple dreams are the ones that matter most.
I completely agree.
Some people have really big dreams, too, like becoming famous or extremely successful.
That's true. My biggest dream is to start my own production company one day.
Wow, that's huge. What kind of company?
A small studio that makes documentaries and short films. Something that tells real stories that matter.
I think you could really do that. What's your biggest dream, Stacy? My biggest dream is to live in 3 different countries during my lifetime. Not just visit, but actually live there. Learn the culture, make local friends, understand daily life there.
That's such an adventurous dream.
It really is. It would take a lot of planning and courage, but it's a dream I think about often.
I love that. Big dreams remind us that life can be so much bigger than our daily routine.
Exactly. But it's also good to have small dreams, too. Small dreams are easier to reach quickly, and that feels good.
True. What's a small dream you have for this year?
My dream for this year is to read 12 books, 1 each month.
That's a great goal. My dream for this month is to start running 3 times a week.
That's wonderful for your health.
I sit at my desk too much. I need to move more.
My dream for this week is to finally organize my closet.
Ha, that's a very real, very necessary dream.
It really is. Starting somewhere is always the first step.
Do you think it's important to tell other people about your dreams?
I definitely do. When people know your dream, they can support you, encourage you, even help you.
That's so true. When I told my friend about wanting to learn guitar, he actually offered to teach me.
See, that's a perfect example. Talking about a dream can turn it into something real.
Exactly. Saying it out loud is the first step toward making it happen.
Dreams change over time, too. When I was a teenager, I dreamed of becoming a famous actress.
Really? Can you act?
Honestly, not very well. I was in one school play and completely froze on stage.
Well, that dream changed for a reason then.
It did, and that's completely fine. What about you? Did you ever have a dream that changed?
Yes, when I was younger, I wanted to live in a huge, busy city like Tokyo or New York.
And now?
Now I actually love living somewhere quieter, with parks nearby and a slower pace of life. That dream completely flipped.
It's amazing how much we change as we grow.
It really is. We learn more about who we actually are.
Sometimes we have dreams for other people too, not just for ourselves.
What do you mean exactly?
For example, I dream that my best friend finds real happiness in her new relationship. That's my dream for her.
That's so kind. I dream that my parents stay healthy and happy for many more years.
Those are beautiful dreams. Dreams built out of love for someone else.
Exactly. Do you have a dream for our channel, Stacy?
Of course. My dream for Daily English Talk is to reach learners everywhere, in every country, and help English feel less scary and more fun.
I love that dream. I share it completely.
We really are a great team.
Okay, we've used so many useful words today. Let's review them together.
Great idea. Let's start with the most important one. Dream.
Dream can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, my dream is to travel more. As a verb, I dream of visiting Morocco.
Try making your own sentence. Use dream as a noun, then as a verb.
Next is the phrase come true. This means a dream actually happens. It becomes real.
For example, my dream of becoming a teacher came true. Or, I hope your dreams come true.
Let's say it together. My dream came true.
Next word, goal. A goal is more specific than a dream. It's like a small step toward something bigger.
For example, my dream is to be fluent in Spanish, but my goal this month is to learn 30 new words.
A goal is small and clear, while a dream is bigger and broader.
Next, achieve. This means you successfully reach your goal or your dream.
For example, she worked hard to achieve her dream of opening a bakery.
It's a powerful, positive word. Let's say it together. Achieve.
And finally, future. The time that hasn't happened yet. Tomorrow, next year, 10 years from now.
For example, in the future, I want to live by the ocean.
So our 5 words today are dream, come true, goal, achieve, and future.
Let's try a challenge. Can you make one big sentence using all 5 words?
Let me try. My dream for the future is to open a bookstore, and my goal is to achieve this by saving money every month, so one day my dream will come true.
Perfect. All 5 words in one sentence.
Now you all know these words well. Try using them to talk about your own dreams.
Okay, let's review everything we talked about today.
We talked about simple, everyday dreams like baking the perfect bread or growing a small herb garden.
We talked about childhood dream jobs and how they can completely change as we grow up.
We discussed dream jobs now, like opening a bookstore or becoming a filmmaker.
We talked about dream vacations from Morocco to New Zealand to Norway.
We covered skill dreams, like learning guitar or pottery, and personal dreams about family and pets.
We talked about big dreams and small dreams and how both are equally important.
And we learned that sharing your dreams with others can actually help make them come true.
We also learned 5 powerful vocabulary words: dream, come true, goal, achieve, and future.
Try using these words this week when you talk about your own hopes and plans.
Now it's time for our favorite part of the show.
The question of the day.
Today's question is, what is one of your dreams for the future?
It can be anything. A big dream, a small dream, a dream about your job, your family, your travels, anything at all.
Don't be shy. Write a simple sentence in the comments. We read every single one.
For example, you can write, "My dream is to visit Italy," or "I dream of speaking English fluently."
Those are perfect examples. Speaking and writing your dream out loud is already a step toward making it real.
And if you see someone else's dream in the comments, leave them some encouragement. We're all dreaming and learning together here.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
It really means a lot that you're here, practicing your English with us.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's also learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Talk so you never miss a new lesson.
Remember, having a dream is the first step. Setting a goal is the second step. And working toward it will help your dream come true.
We truly believe in every single one of you.
From both of us,
Keep dreaming, keep practicing.
and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!